In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban boards in Jira. We're going to walk through the simple setup process and then look at how to start using the board right away to organize your work. A Kanban board is helpful because it gives you a clear visual view of tasks as they move from one stage to the next, which makes it much easier to track progress. To begin, go to Spaces and click the plus icon. This is where you can create something new inside Jira. Once that menu opens, select Kanban. This tells Jira that you want to create a workflow board based on the Kanban style, which is ideal for continuous task tracking instead of fixed sprint planning. After that, click Use Template. Using the template is a fast way to get started because Jira will set up the basic structure for you automatically. Next, enter a name for your board or space. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if multiple people on your team will be using it. You'll then come to the section asking how your space is managed. Here, choose Team Managed. This option is useful when you want a simpler setup that your team can control directly without needing more advanced administrative configuration. Once that's selected, click Next. On the following screen, click Next again to continue through the setup. Jira may present a few optional configuration screens during this process, and in this case, you'll click I'll do this later. That lets you skip extra setup for now and move straight into the board, which is a good approach if your goal is to get working quickly and adjust details afterward. Then click Done to finish creating the Kanban board. At this point, your board is ready to use. Now you can start adding and organizing tasks. Type your task into the appropriate column, such as Idea, To Do, or In Progress, depending on where that work currently stands. This is the core of how a Kanban board works. Each column represents a stage in your workflow, so tasks become easy to scan and manage at a glance. As work moves forward, you can also drag a task into it. This drag and drop action is one of the most useful parts of Kanban in Jira because it gives you a quick, visual way to update progress without opening extra menus. It's simple, efficient, and great for keeping your board current throughout the day. That's how to set up and use a Kanban board in Jira. Once your board is in place, you can keep refining it over time, but this process is all you need to get started and begin tracking work clearly.